When you've lived in a home as is for nearly 20 years, it can be tough to imagine new possibilities. It takes courage to pick up the phone and say, it's time to make a change. That's what these homeowners did when they called us in to remodel their New City, New York raised ranch house, which they'd inhabited largely as it was when they bought it in the late 1990s. Our team completely gutted and rebuilt the kitchen and master bathroom, and also installed new hardwood floors and interior doors throughout the main living spaces. Now, our clients are loving their new kitchen and bathroom with transitional style and modern emphasis. A few favorite components include the navy kitchen cabinetry, open floor plan, and underfloor heating in the bathroom. Here's what the homeowner had to say. What a great experience working with Houseplay. I know many who've gone through large renovations and talk of the nightmares they endured. We had none. Tammy, Niall, and the team were responsive, responsible, respectful, and concerned with our satisfaction and the quality of the job. The design and layout, the coordination, the permits, the inspections, the work. Houseplay managed it all, and they did it well. Starting with the design, Houseplay understood our needs and presented options with samples that made our design decisions much easier. When it came to construction, they kept us informed and made sure the work was done to our satisfaction. Would fully recommend, and in fact, already have. Do you want to create a home you'll love living in? Visit www.hprnj.com or call 201-682-8766 or 845-630-8677 today.